In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a succulent bouquet for your special occasion. These are the items that you are going to need. You will need an assortment of succulents. So I've chosen these echeverias. This is a neon breaker. It's so pretty. This is a hens and chicks. I have a Lola echeveria, then a Graptovera opalina. You'll need some floral tape, scissors, wire cutter to cut your wire that you'll be using, and then some sort of rope, or you can even choose a ribbon that you'd like. The first thing you need to do is clean your succulent. So we're going to remove all of the soil. So I'm going to take the echeveria out, and you want to reveal the stem. Once all of your succulents and echeverias are clean and you cut the roots, this is a fun part now. You're going to get your wire and you're going to cut your wire. Now you can get this wire at any craft store. Michael's is right down the block for me. So you're going to poke one hole and then you're going to poke another hole like a cross. Now you have your wire, it looks like a cross, and what you're going to do is bring them all together. If there's any excess wire, you can just cut it with your wire cutter. I'm going to wrap the floral tape around the stem and the wire. So one really important thing I learned is that for some of the echeverias, they have much larger stems and they required a thicker gauge wire. So once you put tape and wire on your echeverias, it's now time to arrange them. So what you're going to do is grab them all and you're just going to treat them like they're flowers. So whatever you think looks nice, you just start putting them together. So I wanted this one here to be the focal point. So I'm going to put this one in the middle and then I'm going to work around this one. So this is what I have put together. And now I am going to grab some of the string and start tying it around.